Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So let's start. For example, I'm here on WhatsApp and you can see that we have everything all right here. However, if you have problems to send a voice message, what I recommend you to do at first is give the permission and check if the permission is alright. So press your WhatsApp and let's go to tap info, and here just select the app permissions. You have to check if the permissions are okay, your microphone is okay. If everything is okay, well, let's go to the part that says checks updates. So let's go to Play Store, and here on Play Store just write WhatsApp, and you have to check if the WhatsApp is updated. If you have an update, just have to do it and then try to open WhatsApp and try to send the voice message once again. In case that doesn't work, so let's go back to the app info that we are here, and then let's clear data. Just click all the data from your WhatsApp and then try to open again and try to send the voice message again. If this is not working yet, what I recommend you, the last option is just uninstall your WhatsApp and then try to install once again. So that's just how you can do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.